Hello everyone, myself Chandana. Today we are going to learn about sorting.
Sorting is nothing but ordering of and listing of an objects. Here you can see two types of sorting. One is internal sorting and one is external sorting. Internal sorting is nothing but the number of objects or the number of elements we are giving that are small enough to fit in their storage is known as internal sorting. And external sorting, it is nothing but the number of elements or the number of objects which we are giving is not enough to store in its memory and they are on external storage is known as external sorting. And here you can see the different types of sorting algorithms. One is bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, heap sort and radix sort. So today we will learn about bubble sort. Bubble sort is also a sinking sort and it has another sorting technique that after each and every phase the largest element goes or bubbled up to its correct position. So I have taken elements 9, 6, 1, 10, 2. In bubble sort, we have to arrange them in ascending order in their correct position. So I am taking 9, 6, 1, 10, 2 as elements in first phase. So see, when 9 is comparing to 6, 9 is greater than 6. So they are exchanging. That's why we written as swap. And when 9 is comparing to 1, 9 is greater than 1. Here also swap. When 9 is comparing to 10, here no change. Why? Because 9 is less than 10, so no change. When 10 is comparing to 2, 10 is greater than 2, so here also they are changing their places. And at last you can see that in first phase, after first phase, the largest number occupied its correct position. That means largest number has fixed in their position. Now taking this whole ray and we have to interchange the another 4 elements according to their correct position. Now we will take the last array of first phase in second phase. So 6, 1, 9, 2, 10. We are taking it from the first phase last array. So 6, when 6 is comparing to 1, it changes. Why? Because 6 is greater than 1. 1 comes before the 6. So that's why they are changing. So swap. When 6 is comparing to 9, here it's no change because 6 comes before the 9. Why? Because 6 is less than 9. So here no change. And when 9 is comparing to 2, here it will changes because 9 is greater than 2. So 2 comes before 9. So that's why here change. And when 9 is comparing to 10, here no change because 9 is less than 10. So here you can see after 2 phases, the largest numbers of given element has been occupied its correct position. That means 9 and 10 are fixed. Now we can interchange 1, 2, 3 elements. That is 1, 6, 2 we have to interchange. So while taking this last array of second phase, we will do the third phase. So you can see the third phase here. 1, 6, 2, 9, 10. So 9 and 10 are constant because their places won't change. And when 1 is comparing to 6, the 1 is less than 6. So no change. And when 6 is comparing to 2, 6 is greater than 2. So here changes. So 2 comes before the 6. Then you can see here when 6 is comparing to 9, no change because 6 comes before the 9. Why? Because 6 is less than 9. And here also when 9 comparing to 10, here also no change. Why? Because 9 is less than 10 and also they are in their correct positions. So no change. See here you can observe one thing that the given all elements have been sorted. So in bubble sort, after 3 phases, most the cases of the 3 phases, the given elements will be sorted. but in the rare cases it won't. It goes to fourth phase or fifth phase. So to phase that, we have to do the number of elements. What are the number of elements are there? We have to do the number of times. So that's why I have taken 5 elements. So I will also do 5 phases for understanding purpose. So now we will take the last array of third phase, that is 1, 2, 6, 9, 10. See here the fourth phase 1, 2, 6, 9, 10. So when is 1 is comparing to 2, 1 is less than 2, so no change. And 2 is less than 6, no change. 6 is less than 9, here also no change. And 9 is less than 10, here also no change. And the same element we will take as fifth phase, and also we have to do like this. This is bubble sort, but it goes to fourth phase, fifth phase in rare cases. But in most of the cases, it will be done by third phase only. This is the fifth phase, that the all elements are arranged. When comparing 1 to 2, no change, because 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 6, 6 is less than 9, 9 is less than 10. So here you can see the last one that has been bubble sorted, and here all the given elements are arranged according to their correct position. This is called bubble sort.